Mumbai isn't just a city, it's India's heartbeat on fast forward. The horns, the trains, the rain, the lights, they all hit you at once. There's no warm up round here. From the second you land, Mumbai drags you straight into the game. One moment you're dodging rickshaws, the next you're carried by a crowd that somehow moves in perfect rhythm. And just when you're ready to collapse, Mumbai pauses. It hands you a cutting chai, a sea breeze, a sunset that reminds you this city can be kind too. That's the real trick of Mumbai. It overwhelms, it exhausts, and then it rewards. People don't just live here, they endure it, they surrender to it, and somehow they fall in love with it. And one of the easiest ways to taste that love is through food. In Mumbai, food isn't just food, it's fuel. From Juhu Beach to Muhammad Ali Road, the city feels like one massive open-air kitchen. Pav bhaji, bel puri, misal pav, quick, messy, unforgettable. Every plate here tells a story. The student grabbing a vada pav between classes, the family sharing bel on a Sunday evening, the night shift worker wolfing down anda bhurji before catching the last train. In Mumbai, food isn't just about taste, it's about energy, survival, and stories served on a paper plate. And after all that chaos and flavor, you need a place to breathe. That's where Marine Drive comes in. Marine Drive is where Mumbai exhales. By day, joggers and college kids claim the promenade. By evening, it belongs to everyone. Families, couples, office goers, all facing the same endless horizon. The street lights curve into that iconic Queen's necklace, but it isn't about perfection. It's about pause. I once sat here thinking I'd stay 5 minutes, an hour disappeared without me noticing. That's Marine Drive. It gives you something rare in this city, time. But the moment you leave that pause, Mumbai throws you right back into motion. And nowhere shows that better than Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus. From the outside, CSMT looks like something out of another world. Gothic arches glowing under evening lights, almost like a palace. It's hard to believe this isn't just a monument, but a working station that millions pass through every single day. Even if you don't step inside, you can feel its pulse from the streets outside. Commuters pouring out in waves, trains pulling in and out like clockwork. This place isn't just a backdrop, it's Mumbai in motion. I didn't board a train here, but watching the crowds flow in and out, I understood why they call Mumbai the city that never stops. The station doesn't just connect neighborhoods, it connects lives. And if CSMT connects the city within, then the Gateway of India connects it to the world. The Gateway isn't just a landmark, it's Mumbai's front door. Once used by kings and colonizers, today it's where tourists, locals, vendors, and pigeons all collide. Stand here long enough and you'll see it all. Goodbyes, reunions, history echoing off the stone. And with the Taj Mahal Palace watching from across the road, you realize you're standing exactly where the world once entered India. But sometimes, to understand Mumbai, you have to leave the chaos behind. A short ferry ride and suddenly the horns and chaos fade. The Elephanta Caves rise out of silence. Stone pillars, massive sculptures, gods frozen mid-battle. Walking here in the shadows, you feel the weight of centuries. Mumbai isn't just towers and traffic, it's also this. A reminder that before Bollywood and the stock exchange, faith and art were the real heartbeats of this land. And right back across the water, one building has been standing tall, quietly watching over Mumbai through it all. The Taj Mahal Palace. The Taj isn't just a hotel, it's a witness. A palace of luxury, yes, but also of survival. It has faced war, tragedy, even terror. Each time, it has risen stronger. Sip tea here and it isn't just tea, it's legacy, pride, and memory served in porcelain. From legacy carved in stone, Mumbai also races ahead in steel. Just drive across the Sea Link and you'll see what I mean. For a few minutes on Bandra Worli Sea Link, the chaos below disappears. You glide above the water, skyline to one side, endless sea to the other. This isn't jugaad, it's ambition in steel and cable. Every drive feels cinematic. I half expected a Bollywood chase scene to break out as I crossed it. But once you land back on the other side, Mumbai reminds you it's not just about speed and ambition, it's also about celebration. And nowhere is that louder than Juhu Beach. Juhu Beach is a joyful chaos. Vendors shouting, kids chasing kites, families crunching corn on the cob, waves crashing in the background. If you are lucky, you'll stumble onto a film shoot or spot a star's bungalow nearby. But the real magic isn't celebrity, it's festival. During Ganesh Chaturthi, thousands gather here to bid farewell to Ganpati. The chants, the drums, the colors. It's Mumbai's soul, loud and unfiltered. And after all that noise, Mumbai shows another side of its soul, faith. Tuesday morning at Siddhivinayak, you'll see film stars, taxi drivers, CEOs, students, all waiting in the same line. Faith here levels everyone. And then there's Haji Ali, a mosque adrift in the sea. The tide itself decides when you can enter. I walked that narrow causeway with hundreds of strangers, different backgrounds, different beliefs, but for that walk, everyone moved as one. Faith here isn't just ritual, it's resilience. And maybe that's the best way to end my story with Mumbai. I didn't just visit Mumbai, I wrestled with it. I fought its traffic, I stood in its crowds, I tasted its food, and I let its streets confuse me. And somehow, in the middle of all that, I found stories I'll carry forever. Here's the truth, you don't simply see Mumbai, you survive it. You get pulled into it, and if you let it, the city will leave you with something priceless. The feeling that in all its madness, there's still a place for you. Because Mumbai doesn't just live, it makes you live harder. It is and always will be India's heartbeat on fast forward.